Yeah, hello. Yeah, welcome back to my YouTube channel. The name still remains the same. I'm Ken Rhymes, a co-founder of Rundel Technology Company. Yeah, so on today's episode, I want to show you the legit way to send money from Ghana to Uganda. Legit way to send money from Ghana to Uganda. A lot of people want to send money from Ghana to Uganda to their loved ones or their friends in Uganda, but they don't know how to send money from Ghana to Uganda. I know this video will help you solve all your problems. Yeah, it will help you solve all your problems concerning sending money from Ghana to Uganda. Yeah, so I will show you how to send money from Ghana to Uganda. But first thing first, you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, and share to your loved ones so that you'll be notified when I release new videos. Yeah, so no time to wait. Jump on my phone screen. Let me show you how you can send money from Ghana to Uganda. The next remain the same. Rundel Technology Company. Let's go. You can send money from Ghana to Uganda without paying any fee. Yeah, so no time to waste. First of all, I will leave the app link in my description so you can download the app. The app name is called Eversend. Yeah, so you can download and register on Eversend. So if you don't know how to register on Eversend, I've done a lot of video about it, and I will leave those videos in my description as well, so you can learn how to register on Eversend. So let me show you how you can make money or how you can send money from Ghana to Uganda, yeah, without paying any fee. So first of all, you after registering on the Eversend account, you open your app. Then you enter your PIN. So this is how your account look like. So if we want to send money from Ghana to Uganda, so you go to send. So you can search the person, like if the person is on Eversend, you can search the person there, you will get the person, then you send the money to the person. But let's assume the person is not on Eversend, so this is how you will do it. You click on the plus on the upper corner, the right side here. Then you manually or phone book. So you can import the number from your contact, but in this case I want us to start something from scratch, so let's do everything from scratch. So let's assume the name of the person is John Mahama. The country, then we select the country Uganda. Then we enter the number. The number I've already copied it, so I'll just paste it. Yeah. So they say I've already added this number. It's already on the beneficiary number, so I'll go back. So this the number I just saved, so I will click on it. That's Uganda. So this is how you send the money. So let's assume I want to send 1,000 Ghana. Yeah, so this I'll click on 1,000 Ghana, then I'll click on continue. So if I click on continue, it will send to the person in Uganda. Yeah, so that's how it works. So you can use this one as for dollar arbitrage, like you can save in Uganda, so when the currency rises up, then you exchange the currency to Uganda cedis and earn money from it. Yeah, so that's how you do it. So thank you for watching me. The name is I'm Ken Rhymes, and I'm out.